T-Mobile is out with a new lineup of business smartphone plans. The mobile plans that include the SuperMobile, ProMobile, and CoreMobile plans. And the top tier SuperMobile plan has a unique feature that T-Mobile is promoting called network slicing. We'll have the details after the break. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and today we're going to talk about a new lineup of business-oriented smartphone plans from T-Mobile. Now, these replace the previous Unlimited Ultimate Edge and the other business plans in T-Mobile's lineup. Those have been grandfathered and retired. So the new plan lineup is the SuperMobile plan, which is the top tier plan, then ProMobile as the mid-tier, and the CoreMobile plan as the bottom tier. Now, the really interesting plan in this lineup is the SuperMobile plan because it comes with some features that aren't available on the other two plans. This plan is $95 a month with the auto pay discount for a single line, and of course there are discounts for multi-line options. Now, this plan does come with unlimited premium data, which is a good thing and expected on a top-tier smartphone plan, and it has increased the amount of mobile hotspot allotment to 300 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot before you get slowed down to 600 kilobits per second. So 300 gigabytes of mobile hotspot is a healthy chunk for a smartphone plan, so that's great to see. Unfortunately, one of the downgrades of this plan is that they've reduced the amount of international data that comes with the plan. So you only get 5 gigabytes a month of high-speed data in Canada and Mexico, and 5 gigabytes a month in 215 other countries. So that is unfortunate, especially considering that the other business smartphone plan, which are based on the consumer experience plans, specifically Experience Beyond for Business. This is a business plan that you can get, but it's only available in retail stores. It's not available online. That plan provides the same 300 gigabytes of mobile hotspot data, the same unlimited premium data, but it comes with 30 gigabytes of Canada-Mexico data and 15 gigabytes of data for the rest of the world, 215 plus countries. So you kind of wonder why the SuperMobile plan exists. Well, it does have one unique feature, and that is called 5G network slicing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy mobile internet related content, that is what we focus on here on the YouTube channel, so please consider subscribing, and you can hit that notification bell to get alerted when we come out with a new video. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. We do read all of our comments. And if you want a lot more in-depth information on mobile internet, consider clicking over to our website. That's where the bulk of our content is, so we encourage you to do that. Again, thanks for watching. Now, for a simple explanation of 5G network slicing is a technology with 5G standalone networks that basically allows a provider to create or slice up a physical network into one or more virtual networks. And so you can think of it like a highway. On your normal internet, everyone is sharing the same lanes, everyone is on the same highway, and even when you get a slowdown or congestion, even if you have priority data, you are also slowed down. You're just not slowed down as much as somebody who's deprioritized. Now, what network slicing, one of the things it allows you to do is create a separate express lane for certain types of traffic. So instead of being stuck in the main highway, certain types of traffic will get this express lane that is a virtual network that allows a carrier to provide better performance networks, lower latency, and it can tailor that slice for specific use cases. Now, in the case of the SuperMobile plan, what they've done is they've created a business network slice, and so this is a virtualized slice of the network that is tailored for business applications. T-Mobile has said in its marketing that this is mainly for video conferencing, large file transfers, as well as business applications on your smartphone. So if you're using one of those applications, your network traffic will automatically go along this express lane of the business network slice. So that can be a great option for business customers who need reliable performance and connectivity even when the rest of the network is congested. Now there are some downsides to this. You can't access the network slice unless you're on 5G standalone network. Because network slicing is a 5G only technology, it doesn't work on LTE, and it doesn't work when you're connected to 5G non-standalone. And non-standalone combines LTE and 5G together, so it doesn't work there. It also doesn't work with tethering or with mobile hotspot data. So that is a pretty big downside. It only works for apps and data that come off of your smartphone. So this is an interesting new feature to provide, and T-Mobile is able to give this feature because of its advanced 5G network that allows some of these more advanced 5G technologies to be used. T-Mobile is quite a bit ahead of the other carriers in terms of deploying advanced 5G technologies, 5G standalone, and network slicing. So expect to see more network slicing in the future, not only from T-Mobile, but from the other carriers as they catch up and get their 5G standalone networks more widely deployed. Now, as far as if this new SuperMobile plan is the right plan for you, it really depends on your specific needs. If you're a business customer who uses those kinds of business applications on your smartphone and you want to avoid the congestion of a normal cell tower connection, then this might be a good plan for you. But if you're more of an international traveler, you like that international data and the higher international data limits, then you might want to consider looking at the Experience Beyond for Business plan, which again is only available in retail stores. So we have links in the description to T-Mobile's business plans with all of the details of exactly what these plans offer and the differences, as well as the story that goes along with this video. So that does it for today. We thank you for watching. Stay connected, and we'll see you next time.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.